Did you know you can build a portfolio that pays you $500 every month? Even if you're a complete beginner and have zero experience with investing? Yes, you can literally make money while you sleep by following a simple strategy that works. Long term. So what exactly is a dividend portfolio? It's a group of stocks from companies that share a portion of their profits, called dividends, directly with investors. That means you, getting paid monthly or quarterly, just for holding the right stocks. The secret? Choose stable, dividend-paying companies. These are usually in sectors like utilities, consumer goods, or banks. Companies that keep running, no matter the economy. And the best part? You don't need a ton of money to start. Let's say you invest $20,000 in stocks that pay around 3% annually in dividends. That's already $600 a year, or $50 a month. Keep adding more each month, and in a few years, you can reach $500 a month. Now let me give you a step-by-step beginner's guide. Open an investment account with a reliable broker. No fees, no fuss. Look for dividend stocks with a strong track record, companies that have consistently paid dividends for at least 5 years. Invest regularly. Even if it's just $100 a month, consistency is what builds real wealth. Reinvest your dividends. Use that money to buy more shares and speed up your progress through compound growth. Here's where it gets exciting. The first time you see money land in your account, without doing any work, everything changes. You start to realize that your money can work for you, not the other way around. It's not a dream. It's not hype. It's a system anyone can follow. No special skills needed, just commitment and patience. So if your goal is to stop relying only on your paycheck and to build a reliable source of passive income, this is your best starting point. A dividend portfolio is simple, powerful, and beginner-friendly. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button right now. On this channel, I break down real ways to grow your income, invest smart, and reach financial freedom, step by step. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss what's coming next.